Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to change Buick Encore headlight. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and working with gloves to protect the bulb. Locate the headlight housing from the engine bay and remove any plastic covers or clips. Keep track of screws and bolts in a small container and use a cloth to avoid touching the glass of the new bulb. Warmly approach the headlight area with patience and good light to avoid fumbling. Remove plastic covers and any screws securing the housing by keeping a magnetic tray nearby. Gently pull the housing back just enough to access the bulb socket without stressing wiring. Unplug the electrical connector and twist or unclip the old bulb out, noting its orientation for correct reinstallation of the new bulb. After removing the old bulb, wipe the new bulb base and align it carefully with the socket. Push or twist the bulb until it locks into place, then reconnect the electrical plug and briefly reconnect the negative battery to test illumination. Confirm both low and high beams function correctly before fully reassembling. Replace covers and fasteners, lower the hood,
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.